The Inspiron 7000 2-in-1 Black Edition is the latest generation of our premium consumer product line of the Inspiron brand. We focus the 7000 brand of Inspiron on high innovation. It's a premium product, but we always bring at least one hero innovation feature to the product. This generation, we're focusing on the pin experience. We actually created an innovative hinge feature where this full-sized active pin is garaged in the product at all times.
In this current generation, we've embedded the power button within the keyboard layout. There's no parting lines or breaks in the palm rest layout. It's just a very clean look. We've also embedded a fingerprint reader within the power button itself that supports Windows Hello. So it's single sign-on, you touch it, you're in the system authenticated. We also did a lot of work on the thermal design. So we've got an intake of air on the base of the system, and then outtake of the air is actually hidden within the hinge structure itself. So the user's never going to be in a certain mode with the convertible and feel that hot air coming out. It knows when it's on a desktop and it can boost performance. It knows when it's on your lap and it might reduce it.
There are a lot of amazing aspects to this product. The full metal enclosure that enables it to be thinner, smaller, lighter than before. The inclusion of the active pin in the hinge, so it's always available to the user. It's stored and secure in transport, so the user never loses it. The product overall is improved in almost every way from the previous generation.
The Razer Blade is a very powerful gaming laptop, which means that it's a very powerful PC. You can certainly edit videos on it, and with a 17-inch screen, it's a lot easier on the eyes and you can get a lot done quicker. The Razer Blade is definitely an all-in-one mobile workstation, especially for those with a gaming channel on YouTube that has daily releases. Sometimes you find yourself needing to record something and edit something in a hotel room or on the go. It's work and play at the same time, and the Razer Blade is a one-stop shop for that.
The all-new Alienware Area 51M is now the world's most powerful gaming laptop. Desktop Intel Core processors and revolutionary show-stopping design.
My name's Rob Terry, Design Visualization Specialist and Senior Designer for Stantec. One thing that I love about my job is that it's kind of at the intersection of science and art. So I work with both the architects and the interior designers, and a lot of times it's, how do we validate this design? So I'll use the WS to run some tests with some renders or do some iterative process with a 3D tool. This is a really beautiful project that we've been working on. It's down in Grenada with this beautiful pool area. Who wants to go out after their day at the beach and they want to watch a beautiful sunset? So I'm just turning the sun direction a little bit, and this is kind of trying to balance between the artistic side of things and or the reality. I'm genuinely impressed that a laptop of this size can pack so much performance. It has a latest Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA Quadro 4200, 64 gigs of RAM. I feel very confident in the security that the WS65 gives us with the fingerprint sensor lock. And it's so small, it's 0.69 inches thick, and it weighs 4.15 pounds. It's unbelievable.
Since its launch in 2016, Gigabyte Aero series created laptop has been introducing advanced and exclusive features such as ultra-thin screen bezel and Microsoft Azure AI. This award-winning laptop series just got even more powerful with the latest 10th Gen Intel Core processor and GeForce RTX 20 Super series graphics. This is Sam from Gigabyte, and in this video, we're going to take a look at this brand new Aero. With a design cue coming from science fiction movies, the Aero creates a simple yet complete chassis through the use of CNC technology, creating a smooth, clean, and unique aluminum body. The 15-inch chassis weighs only 2 kilograms, plus the 94 Wh battery which provides about 8 hours of battery life. The Aero is certainly portable. Despite its thin chassis, Aero series keeps all the ports you need, such as HDMI, mini display port, Thunderbolt 3, and even a UHS 2 SD card reader, satisfying all needs when it comes to peripheral connections. The display has always been Gigabyte's strong selling point. The 15-inch Aero 15 OLED comes in with a Samsung AMOLED display which has a wide color range of 100% DCI-P3 and is certified as Facet Display HDR 400 True Black. As for Aero 17 HDR, the 17-inch model is equipped with a 4K HDR panel which supports 100% Adobe RGB Color Gamma and HDR 400. The Aero is capable of providing viewers more colors and more details, even when the images are dark. And all the display panels you see on Aero is color calibrated. Gigabyte partners with X-Ray Pantone, the world-renowned authority of colors, to ensure users get the best color accuracy delta E of That's the One. The new generation Aero comes in with 3 different 10th Gen Intel Core processors for you to choose from. Perhaps the most eye-catching is the i7-10875H, the first mobile Core i7 processor featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. As for graphics, in addition to RTX 20 series and GTX 16 series, the all-new flagship NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super have been added to Aero to enhance media processing speed and gaming performance. The Aero 15 OLED and Aero 17 HDR are also certified as NVIDIA Studio laptops. Aero uses the latest Studio driver to optimize over 40 software programs that content creators often use for improved efficiency. There are 2 slots for SSD and 2 slots for system memory, up to 64 GB. Cooling has also been improved through the Gigabyte exclusive WindForce Infinity technology. Aero series also offers 144Hz high refresh rate display in satisfying the gamers. With powerful CPU, GPUs, performance, and premium input-output interface design, users can play games, stream, and surf the internet all at the same time. The Aero also carries per-key RGB backlight keyboard, which supports different animations. Users can also customize the light effects. Ultralight, super fast, with a gorgeous display, the Aero is designed specifically with digital creators in mind, offering unparalleled performance, stability, and does it all without overheating.